2017, there was a tree row we were taking out along the edge of a field, and there were some decent saw logs that I wanted to try and save, and so I pulled those out and cut them up before the rest of the trees got pushed into a brush pile. We're going to slab these for the most part, maybe make a few beams out of the others. We'll just have to see. These are the logs we're going to be milling. These first 5 on the right are walnut, and then we have an oak, and then a small ash. Not the biggest logs out there, but just for salvaging them out of a tree row, they're not too bad. So really excited to see what's on the inside. Well, this is where we're planning on storing these slabs. This concrete, as you can see, this is where I have the rest of my wood stacked from last time I milled a bunch of logs. Haven't used just a ton. It used to be stacked to the bottom of the roof pretty much, so I've used a little, but not a whole lot. But as you can see, could do a little cleanup, do a little organization. Have to move these boards here in the foreground. There's a lower quality log I had milled just for trailer planking. I didn't stack it very good, didn't use stickers, and no weight on top, so it warped pretty bad. So I don't know, we'll dig through there and see what we can salvage, chuck the rest. We got this pile of cinder blocks, and I think I'll use those to make another base, as you can see I've done for the other piles, and that'll keep our slabs off the cement. It's a nice, cool, crisp morning, 20-some degrees, so it's supposed to warm up to 50. Been howling windy the last couple of days, so this will be a nice change of pace. After looking at the cement, I realized I would need to make some shims to get everything on the level, so I went to my shop and cut a few up. And then it was time to head back to the farm. we set our pile downwind, which was a mistake as I ended up sweeping most of the day. The next morning, I had to finish stacking the pile and combining a couple piles so it would all be on one base, and so I could take it to where I would be permanently storing it. Also, since the wind was blowing all the sawdust on my pile, I needed to take it to the shop to blow it off. I then took it out to the base that I built and then put a piece of 1-inch plate steel on top for weight. Now it's just a matter of hurry up and waiting till it's dry and ready to use.